Hi, I'm Regina with FreshFarm, and I've got a question for you. Did you know that all of our farmers at our farmers markets accept federal benefits such as SNAP EBT, WIC, and Senior FMNP? But even better, at FreshFarm, we believe if you're using federal nutrition benefits at our farmers markets, you should be able to take home even more high-quality local foods and be empowered to choose the products you want. That's why we created FreshMatch. It's a program designed to double your dollars and give you even more access to a variety of local, fresh, agricultural products, like delicious fruits and vegetables. Here's how FreshMatch works. When you arrive at one of our farmers markets, come to the orange info tent and talk to one of our staff. Tell them you like to shop with your SNAP benefits. Present your SNAP card and tell them how much you like to spend today. You can use any amount of the current balance on your SNAP card. You'll then be asked to enter your personal PIN number. At that point, your request is finalized. Your card is processed, and you'll receive purple coupons in whatever amount you requested. But here is where the FreshMatch program comes in. FreshFarm will match up to $10 of your SNAP benefits with FreshMatch coupons. For example, let's say you want to spend $10 in SNAP benefits today. Well, in that case, you'll also get $10 in FreshMatch coupons. So you'll have a total of $20 to spend at the farmer's market. Now, if you've noticed the SNAP coupons and the FreshMatch coupons are different colors, you've got a good eye, and there's a reason for that. The purple coupons represent your SNAP benefits, and all of our coupons work on a one-to-one basis, which means one purple coupon represents $1 of your SNAP benefits. These purple coupons can be used to buy a variety of SNAP-eligible items at our markets, like fruits, vegetables, or even packaged foods to be eaten at home, like eggs, bread, dairy, raw meat, and fish. Your purple coupons can even be used to buy plants that grow food. These purple coupons will never expire. So if you don't spend them all today, you can spend them the next time you visit one of our markets. The white coupons are the ones you receive from the FreshMatch program. And just like the purple coupons, they are a one-to-one system, meaning you'll get one white coupon for every FreshMatch dollar. But there are two important differences between the purple and the white coupons. First, as I mentioned earlier, the purple coupons can be used to buy a variety of items, but the white FreshMatch coupons can only be used to purchase fruits and vegetables at our farmers markets. Second, these white FreshMatch coupons do expire at the end of the year, but don't worry. If you don't use them by the end of the year, you can trade them in for new coupons during the first month of the market season the following year. And you can do that at the Orange Info Tent. In fact, stop by the Orange Info Tent if you have any questions at all. We'd be happy to help. While you're there, you can also grab a handout that lists all of our FreshFarm markets and all of our partner markets that also accept FreshMatch. This FreshMatch program was designed to be a community-building initiative that brings people together through a shared love for local produce. So please, come to any of our FreshFarm markets in DC, Maryland, or Virginia, where you can not only spend your SNAP benefits, but you can also receive the benefits of the FreshMatch program. See you at the market.